Welcome back. 5 Indian men who went missing from Arunachal Pradesh will be returning home today in just a short while. The Chinese army will likely hand them over at a place called Vacha near Kibitu border personnel meeting point in the state of Arunachal. In a hotline message on September 8, the Chinese army had informed the Indian side about having found these missing youth from Arunachal Pradesh. According to the army, these 5 young men are hunters and crossed over the LAC on September 2. Now, the matter was first brought to the attention of authorities when family members of the missing men claimed on social media posts that their kin had been abducted by the Chinese PLA while they were hunting near the border. In fact, 2 of these men who were part of the same group managed to escape and immediately alerted local police in Arunachal Pradesh's Upper Subansiri district. And India today
अभी का सिचुएशन का हिसाब से क्योंकि कोई लड़का उसमें से अपना जगह को वेरीफाई करने गया है और कोई शिकार के तौर पे कोई उसमें फोटर में काम किया है जो आर्मी का साथ में। तो उसी सिचुएशन में थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन होने से हम लोग का लड़का लोग कभी-कभी इधर उधर जाता है, जाके निरीक्षण करता है अपना एरिया को। उसी सिचुएशन में पीएलए का आर्मी लोग वहाँ से पेट्रोलिंग वगैरह करता है, घुसपैठी करता है। उसी समय में वो लड़का लोग को जब मिलता है तो बांध करके किडनैप करके ले जाता है।
And India Today is the only channel reporting from the ground in Upper Subansiri district in Arunachal Pradesh. Manogya Loiwal is there. Manogya, you've been speaking to the family members, but it seems clearly for them these few minutes must be like hours, must be like days. We were expecting them to have been released short while ago. Any update yet?
Well, the connectivity in Anjao district, that's where this entire process is taking place, is absolutely beyond explanation because of the network. There is, of course, no connectivity also. And that's the reason why there's no immediate update even for the armed forces on what exactly is happening, because you have to walk down around 180 kilometers from the entire area. Now, what we're being told to understand is that Global Times, at the scheduled time of releasing these 5 men, has clearly stated that these were spies that had been sent by the Indian intelligence agency, and that's the reason why there have been questions being raised. The locals, the family members and everyone has been opposing it vehemently and has clearly stated that they were pure hunters, some of them not even at the age of 20. So forget about the idea of them putting into a blame game like this. This could have been an error that has happened with people, of course, not being able to identify. What you see here will give you an idea of the inclement weather that has been there in Arunachal Pradesh. And also,
Manogya, you've been talking to the family members. Are they still around you? Because we would want to, of course, understand the situation, the terrain, how difficult it is for people residing on the border when they have their family members lost like that.
Well, absolutely. दादू, कितना मुश्किल होता है आपके लिए यहाँ पर, खास तौर से इन सब इलाकों में जब आप जाते हैं। जीवन का एक शैली तो है ही, लेकिन ये चैलेंजेस क्या-क्या होते हैं आपके लिए?
चैलेंजेस तो हमारा बहुत होता है, जैसे कि आप यहाँ से उस पार जाने के लिए उसको हम लोग लोकली अपना एक आइडेंटिटी मार्क बनाता है। कभी-कभी बारिश आ जाने के कारण, मौसम बिगड़ जाने के कारण, बर्फ गिर जाने के कारण जो मार्क हम लोग बनाता है वो गायब हो जाता है, तो मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता है कि कहाँ गुजर रहा है। तो ये है हम लोग का जो एक डिफिकल्टीज होता है, जो हम लोग वहाँ जाने से पता ही नहीं लगता है कि हम कौन सी जगह से कहाँ से निकल गया, मतलब कैसे हो गया।
आपके परिवार वाले हैं, कितना परेशान थे? और आप चाइना अब कह रहा है कि पहला तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश दक्षिण तिब्बत है, और कह रहा है कि आपके जो परिजन थे वो भारत के जासूस थे।
इस बात से मैं बहुत नाराज हूँ। देखिए, वो एक भारत का जासूस नहीं था सबसे पहले तो, और जो आर्मी हमको सहायता कर रहा है वो क्योंकि वो मेरा एक इंडियन था बोल के उसका सहायता है कि वो उसका आदमी था बोल के नहीं है। तो ये जो चाइना क्लेम कर रहा है ये सरासर गलत है, क्योंकि मेरा साला जो एक गायब होला वो अंडर एज का लड़का है अभी तक, और हाँ 1-2 है जो 18 क्रॉस किया, 35 समथिंग होता होगा। पर
these are challenges what you see here on ground, and for people who've been residing here, this might be a way of life but also a challenge every day.
And India Today ensuring to speak to people directly. You're there on ground. Keep us updated as well. Manogya, thank you very much for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.